Have you ever dreamed on working of your own terms from anywhere and creating something that's truly yours? That's exactly what I am chasing right now. But how? What's my plan? So, boys, take the notes and let's start. Stick with me for just a minute. I promise it's something you will want to hear. As a teenager with big dreams but no budget, I keep asking myself, how can I start building my future right now? I did not want to wait until I had a degree, connections, or even money to invest. So I searched for something that anyone could start with a skill, determination, and access to internet. After endless hours of research, setup, and brainstorming, I discovered something that could change everything. So basically, it's freelancing. Yes, you hear right. It's freelancing. But why freelancing? Out of all the options out there, first, freelancing gives me freedom, the freedom to work from anywhere and at any time. This means I can balance my college life and work without being tied to a 9 to 5 job. Second, freelancing offers limitless growth. It is not just a job, it's a way to grow skills, even start a business over time. And the best part of freelancing has a lower barrier to entry. You don't need a huge investment to start. All you need is a skill, a laptop, and internet access. Finally, freelancing opens up global opportunities. With freelancing, the world is your marketplace. You can work with the people from across the globe. No borders, no limits. The untapped benefit of freelancing. Let me break down the specific benefits of freelancing. Number 1. Control over income. You decide how much you want to earn by choose your projects and pricing of your work. Number 2. Diverse opportunities. Whatever you are good at writing, designing, coding, or even managing a social media, there's a freelancing opportunity for almost every skill. Number 3. Portfolio for the future. Every project you complete is not just money in your pocket. It's a part of a growing portfolio that proves you are capable of. Number 4. Early career start. Freelancing lets me start building my career and skills right now. No waiting for the perfect time. Freelancing versus traditional job. Why I choose this path? Unlike part-time jobs, freelancing let me focus on skills that will help me in future, not just earn pocket money. I considered other things like dropshipping or starting a YouTube channel, but I realized freelancing is a perfect first step. It helps me build skills, gain confidence, and make money, all laying while the foundation for future ventures like this very channel. The endless opportunities freelancing offer. Freelancing is not just a gig, it's a gateway. Many freelancers go on to build their businesses, work with big name clients, or even scale into agencies. It also teaches you discipline, time management, and how to communicate with people professionally. Skills that are priceless for any career. Imagine a life where you are your own boss, working on projects you love, and earning what you deserve. That's what freelancing leads to. Take the first step, start your journey today. Freelancing is my start. What's yours? If you have been waiting for a sign to start something new, this is it. Start something, but start now. I will be sharing every step of this journey with you guys, from my wins to my struggle. So, if you are curious about how to start freelancing, stick around. Let's learn and grow together.